second half of section 12.6 is on the change of base formula. Now here's the deal. We've been just leaving things as log, base, whatever, or we've figured the log in your calculator if it's base 10 or if it's base E. What happens though if you have a log and you want to know what the value of that is? What is the exact value, but it's not in log, it's not in base 10? Well, here's a formula for you. And if you want to derive the whole thing, it is in your book on page 885, I believe, 885 or 886 in there. If you want to just trust me, here it is. So the log base A of x is going to be log base 10 of x divided by log base 10 of a. Or you can use the natural log also. So if you've got log of another base, all you have to do is punch into your calculator the log of the log divided by the log of your base. All right? So it looks like this. We'll do 2 of them, and then we'll do one word problem, and then we'll be done. This will be so quick. Okay. All you have to do is this. You're going to say, if you've got the log base 5 of 19 and you want to know, well, what is the value of that? What you're going to do is you're going to say, well, this is the same as the log of 19 divided by the log of 5. So then in your calculator, you simply punch in, and you don't even have to do things little by little. If you've got a scientific calculator, it's even simpler. You just punch it all in and you can see it. But it'll work on your smartphone calculator just the same. That's how I worked it out. You press in 19 log, and then divided by, so the divided by symbol, and then 5 log, and then equal. And you should end up with roughly 1.8295, and that's it. All right? So if they're whole numbers, it's super easy. 19 log divided by 5 log equals. All right? Now, if you've got fractions, it's a little bit trickier on you. If you have a scientific calculator, you simply type each one of those in, type in the fraction, and just press equal. But if you don't, it sure works. It works just the same way, and it's totally fine. Some of your problems, some of your homework problems do have fractions, so that's why I wanted to show you this. So what you've got is you still have log of the log, so log of 3/4 divided by the log of the base. And so what you can do is simply divide these fractions and make them into decimals first, and then press them into your calculator. So 3 divided by 4 comes up with 0.75. So you want the log of 0.75. And then 1 divided by 3, remember, is 0.333333333. So you can just say, well, the log of 0.333. And if you want to get all crazy and put a bunch of 3's in there, that's fine. So it might round just a touch differently in the 3rd or 4th decimal place if you have to round these decimals, but it's negligible. It's going to be okay. So now once you get that, you're going to press 0.75 log divided by symbol 0.33333 log equals, and you're going to get roughly 0.2619. And that's it. Easy sneezy stuff. All right? Just have to remember log of the log divided by log of the base. All right? That's it. Now, of course, we're going to do a word problem because that was way too simple and easy and quick. So what I've got here is I've got a formula that has been derived. P is the percentage of students who remember important data after X number of days. So what I want to know is what percentage of you are going to recall the change of base formula after 5 days? So in 5 days from now, what percentage of you are actually going to remember all that I have so desperately tried to teach you? All right, here we go. So all you're going to do is you're going to take the X is the number of days that goes past the beyond the lecture day. So you just plug it in. So P is going to equal 95 minus 30 times log base 2 of, I want 5 days. So what you'll need to do is, if you've got a scientific calculator, you punch it in exactly the way you see it, press equal, and you've got an answer. If you don't, here's what you do. You're going to have to use the order of operations and work kind of backwards. Okay, so you'll need to work your log first. And guess what? I wrote down the I wrote down the whole thing wrong. This is the natural log, I believe. This is natural log. So let me make sure. On page, oh man, this will make your video longer. I was hoping to make it really super quick and short, but now I'm having to dig through the book to find my cute little, oh, nope. Oh man, I was right to begin with. Man. Okay, unpause. Here we go. It was right. Don't erase yours. I should just trust myself sometimes. Okay, so log of 5 divided by log of 2. Log of 2. Log of 5, so 5 log divided by 2 log equals, and that should give you 2.3219. All right, so that goes back to, that's this part. So now we still have 95 minus 30 times what we just got there. And so now you're simply going to take 2.3219 times 30, and you'll get 69.6578. And now 95 minus, and what you can do is leave this 69.6578 and press the little plus or minus sign and make it negative, and then add 95. So if that made sense to you, that's a shortcut. If not, that's okay. Press 95 minus 69.6578, and your answer is 25.34. So roughly 25% of you will remember all I've been teaching you 5 days from now. All right. That's all I have for today. Have a great day.